Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. Today's video is a maple cinnamon muffin. This muffin got 3 thumbs up from Asher. I was surprised. He really liked it. Steve really liked it as well. I've made it 3 times now. Tried it out a few times and each time it does turn out really well. You're gonna see a new ingredient, which is a maple flake. I got these on Amazon. They're just like dehydrated maple syrup, so they're like flakes. I had this I don't know, years ago McDonald's used to have like a pancake that had like, I think it was called like a McGriddle, and it was like a pancake and it had little dots of maple syrup throughout the pancake portion, and you ate it like a sausage sandwich. I don't know why, I just love that, and I've been wanting to find something that is those little maple droplets sort of through something. So I found these maple flakes on Amazon and I use those in this recipe, and it did turn out a little bit like that. It wasn't exactly, but it tastes really good, so that's the main thing. So this was an experiment of something else that turned into something really yummy. So I hope that you guys like this one as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get baking.